Oh no, hiccups again. I don't know if that thing work, yeah, Kyla. Oh, that better not be the ice shit in your face. Look, Troy sleeping. What time? 9 o'clock? What do you say? Enough, yeah, already. Say bye. Oh, oh. Say bye, sissy. Troy. 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 Oh, look, he's snoring.